Hi guys, namaste, love and light to you. We have three options in front of us, and our today's topic is love message from your person or messages from your person. Okay, so take what resonates with you, leave the rest. Okay, this will be a general reading. For private reading, you can check the description box below, or else you can join me on Instagram at Divine Energy Tarot. Link I have mentioned in the description box below. Okay, so we have three options. Option number one, option number two, option number three. Okay, so we will keep these options aside and we will not waste much time. We will directly go to the option one and we will see the charms also, smiley also, and let's see. Okay, what else we can see. First option, those who have chose rose quartz pencil. Okay, message from your person. Okay, so they see you very emotional, sensitive, psychic person, like with strong intuition. They know you are a spiritual person, you have got strong intuition, you have psychic powers. Okay, so message from them is, I have no idea what is going on in your life. Do you have someone else in your life? Are you still willing to wait for me? Do you still love me? So definitely you have been in a breakup or some sort of separation with your partner and they want to celebrate with you, like someone's birthday is coming first, or your person or your birthday is coming, and they know you are very intuitive person. You can be a psychic medium or a tarot reader or a spiritual person. Even if you are not, your intuition is very strong, you are very sensible, you are very intuitive, you care for others. Those sort of vibes they get from you. You care for your pets, you care for animals, you care for environment, you care for everyone. They want you to have a baby also with you. For some of you, I am getting, they want to get married to you and they want to have a baby with you and they want to make you pregnant. For some of you, I am getting that. Please calm down. I know you are still angry and I am scared of your anger. I can't face you and I do not like to fight with you, baby, my honey. So another message from them. Baby, do not hurt me. In the past or in my previous relationships, I was the one who always got hurt. So baby, please don't hurt me and never leave me. So basically this person have hurted you definitely. That is why they are scared of your anger now. That is why they are saying, please calm down, and I can't face you, but because I don't like to fight with you, I am scared of your anger. And they might have left you or walked away from you because of their past experiences, and they've hurt you, and before you hurt them, they have hurted you. So they are saying, now don't leave me. Okay, so they have some sort of insecurity inside them. I am waiting for you and I want you to come contact me. I love it when you call me first. So this person, like, basically don't want to contact you, but they want you to contact them. And also I feel like you are in no contact separation since long time. You have been not talking to each other and they have no idea what is going on in your life, and that is why they are confused. Do you have someone else in your life? Are you going to celebrate without me? You are celebrating or going out with your friends, I don't know, with someone else, or they might get idea from someone or social media, or they are assuming that you have someone else. So they are in the doubt that you have someone else in the picture. So they are saying, can you please wait for me? Are you willing to wait for me? Do you still love me? They know in somewhere in your heart and mind that they like you love them, but still they are confused. Let's pull out some smileys also from your person, how they feel about you. Okay, so define yourself. Okay, stars. Basically you are their wish. They have a lot of love for you in their heart. You are their wish. They see you as a star, like a celebrity. They get struck. They also blush. They feel also shy and nervous sometimes, but they don't show it. Maybe they have a ego or insecurity, or maybe because of their past relationship they don't show it. They feel sometimes shy or nervous, or they get starstruck. They have a lot of love for you, like a pure first love type of feeling they get from you. They see you as a star. You are this wish fulfillment. Okay, but after you have defended yourself, or you have came into your power and you have came out of this Queen of Cups energy, even if you are still sensible, you are not showing to them, and that is why they have like felt that change, and they feel like, wow, this person has changed so much, but still they love you, and they feel like, you know, those sort of goosebumps when they see you or watch your pictures, and they want you to contact them. That is also what I am feeling. But if they have left you, do not contact them. I would suggest you to let them contact you, and they will contact you. Let me pull out some initials also for you. Lot many initials has come. Oh god, let's take it. X. So this can be your X for some of you. So initials for you: X, N, A, S, I, O, Q. I twice we have received. I thrice we have received. Okay, I. So this person, maybe this can be the reason. This person was like, you know, they never used to say us. They always used to say I, me, myself. So this person can be selfish for some of you. Okay, E we have received twice. A, K, O, F, P, E. So thrice we have received E, thrice we have received I, and N, X. 4 times actually we have received E, sorry. A, O, Q, again A, twice we have received A, P, K, F. So this can be someone's your person's name, middle name, surname, or this can be your name, middle name, surname as well. We will also pull out some love messages also from your person. Okay, what they are saying, and we will also see the charms. So message from your person: blessings. Okay, so they see you as a star, they see you as a celebrity, they see you as a wish fulfillment, they see you as a blessing. That is for sure, definitely, like I have said. And you are my happiness. See, you are their happiness. You are very loving and caring. You were very nurturing to this person. That is also what I am feeling. But now you have stopped showing it. That is also what I am feeling. If you are in separation, if they have left you, I lost someone I loved. See, this person has left you. Definitely, I lost someone I loved. Definitely, this person has left you, or some sort of breakup or separation has happened. Definitely, and now they feel like you have come into your power. And now they are starstruck. They are not like they are like, you know, they thought you were always be chasing them, after them, and you will always contact them, but you have never contacted them. So now they feel like, you know, they have lost someone they loved. Money minded. They used to be money minded. For some of you, your person has lot of love for you, or had lot of love for you, but they were concentrating or prioritizing money or someone else or something else over you. Okay, maybe their friends also, but they were money minded. Definitely, nothing gonna change my love for you. So this is the song they are dedicating to you. Okay, I like you, baby. So they still like you, they still see you the same way they used to, but something has changed. What has changed? That you have stopped chasing them, and that has surprised them. That is also what I am feeling. And they know you are angry on them. I am coming home. So you are their home, definitely. With this Queen of Cups, you are their home. Loving, nurturing, caring person. A lot of love you give them. So you are their home. Okay, you are their wish fulfillment with this star. Definitely. Why I have said crap things? So this person has walked away and said used some sharp words or sharp tongue. They have a sharp tongue, or they have used sharp words, or might they have you had a fight, and might they have said like some sort of crap things. Now they are realizing it. My pumpkin. So they see you as a very chubby, cute, or pumpkin cute vibe they get from you. Very cute and pumpkin. I want you. So now they want you. Definitely, some celebration is coming in your life. I can feel it. Whether your birthday or your friend's birthday or some event. I want to say a lot of things. So this person never used to share or his or her emotions. It was you who was very intuitive, and you got to you were aware about their deep feelings, but they never used to share. And for some of you, you can be a psychic medium, spiritual tarot reader person. Just the Way You Are by Bruno Mars. So this song they want to dedicate to you. Sorry, I'm not able to speak today. Just the Way You Are by Bruno Mars. You can listen to the lyrics. It might be resonating for you. So that is what they are saying. And now let's pull out some charms also. Okay, so this person was less confidence in comparison to you, or they might had some sort of insecurity or self-worth issue. They see you as a star, but they feel shy and nervous around you, but they don't show it. So because they were nervous of your confidence, or they were like starstruck that how they got you, and like definitely they had some sort of confidence issue. That is also what I am feeling. And definitely an ending has occurred in your relationship, and this person is missing you, definitely missing you, and they are listening to songs also. And maybe if you are listening songs somewhere in your home, in your car, on your TV, then they are sending you those songs. Okay, suddenly if you are listening some songs which was connected to them, or even if you feel like suddenly you are listening to some songs, that is them sending you songs. And I don't know, for some of you, you are working I don't know, on in news channel, on TV, or on YouTube, or you work in a camera field, something you do in editing or camera related work, then they watch you. Okay, they definitely watch you from far away. They want transformation in this relationship, okay, but they don't know how to do it because it has been paused by divine, something like that. Definitely this has been breakup or separation, this love by them. Okay, now they want to get married to you, they want to celebrate with you, they want to spend time with you, and enjoy or celebrate your or their birthdays or anniversaries. They see you as very intelligent person. So this is what I feel, guys. This is the message from your person. So I hope you liked it, my charm reading style, my handwritten messages, my tarot cards, my smiley reading, love scrolls style. I hope you liked it. Please remember, this was a general reading. It may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. I hope to see you in my next video, guys. Thank you so much. You can fast forward it. I'll just go to the next option, pile 2. Okay, let's see. I'm not just like I'm not pausing this video, okay, because editing takes a lot of time, guys. After watching video, like editing takes a lot of time, at least for me. So yeah. So let's see now. Move to the pile. I got confused. I hope this is the correct pile 2. Those who have chose this tiger eye stone pencil, pile 2. Messages from your person. Let's see. So we have received Queen of Pentacles, we have received 5 of Pentacles. Okay, the Magician. Okay, your person is a bit manipulative. That is the first energy I am getting. They have left you out in the cold, or their behavior towards you is very hot and cold. Even if you are in touch or not in touch with them, they behave with you very coldly. So bit manipulative with this Magician energy I am getting. They may be from rich background or wealthy background, and they are prideful for their money. For some of you, I am feeling, and you don't have money, you don't have job, or you have lost a job, and they were showing you attitude or pride, and they were manipulating you even when you were in a relationship. Their behavior was hot and cold, pile 2. So what is the message from them? You inspired me a lot. I love your looks, I love your speech, I love your style. I want to grow old together with you. I love your hair, I love your body shape, I love your heart, I love your lips, I love everything about you. So now this person loves everything about you. They know you have something inside you, but they still used to manipulate you because of the magician energy, okay, because of their pride and ego, because they have a lot of money, they come from wealthy background, so they were very prideful. Maybe you are they are rich in comparison to you in terms of money. You are my happiness, you are my world, I want to travel world with you, I want to take you somewhere, I have a lot of plans for us. So now they have a lot of plan for us. Now currently I can feel like this person has left you out in the cold and ghosted you and didn't say a word, and they like now you are not in contact, and now they are manifesting you, I can see. So that is why they see that I have a lot of plans, you are my happiness, you inspired me, and you now maybe you come into your power, and now that your person wants to manifest you, or and they are manifesting, okay. I am moving on, please let me go. I am trying hard to forget you, and I am also frustrated and angry on myself. Oh my god, this person is confused basically, okay. So some that is why they used to treat you like sometimes very their behavior was hot and cold, sometimes very happy, excited and talking so nicely, and sometimes they will like you are no one for them, you are nothing for them. So they definitely they are magician, very moody, conflicted, very manipulative, and they have tried to move on but they could not do it. So now they are saying I am frustrated and angry on myself, that why I have left you out in the cold, I have behaved coldly with you, and I was not stable in my life and in a relationship with you. Now just I am trying to forget you, but they are trying to forget you but they are not able to. So that is why they are frustrated and angry, that why they did what they did to you, like left you out in the cold, and now you have come into your power. You are doing something on your own, you have lost your job but you are doing something on your own, and you are inspiring them, okay, and they love your style, looks, speech, your inner beauty, outer beauty, everything about you, and you are their happiness, and they want to travel world with you, and now they are planning also to take you somewhere, and a lot of planning they are lot of plans they have for you, and that is why they are manifesting you. Another message for you, I want to give you more stable life. See, this person was confused when you were in a relationship. This person was not stable, lot of hot and cold behavior, moodiness, and lot of confusion was there in their mind, manipulation, pride, ego. Now they have realized after leaving you out in the cold, you have come into your power, you have started your own business. That time you have lost your job, but now you are doing something on your own. You have never chased them after that, and now they are manifesting you, and now they are saying I want to give you more stable life, I want to give you commitment. I know in past I did not give you a commitment. See, this person did not give you commitment because this person was confused. They might have see you higher, they see themselves higher than you in past. They themselves was seeing themselves very higher in comparison to money. You didn't have so much money, they had a lot of money. That is why they are so prideful and egoistic, because they come from a wealthy background. That is also what I am feeling, some sort of status reputation issue was there in this relationship. I know in past I did not give you commitment, but now I want a stable, balanced relationship with you. Now this person wants a stable and balanced relationship with you. Wow. Let's see the smiley also. So kiss me. So this person like manifesting passionate relationship with you. 7 number, 5 number can be touching you. Love, so definitely they love you. Picture, they are looking at your pictures, rather on social media, or rather they have your pictures in their mobile. They are saying I love you. So see, they have realized, they see you now as a queen, and like a lady who is independent. They want to make a family with you, they want to be your family. Don't touch me. So now you have come into this energy, because they have left you out in the cold, they have manipulated you, and now you have stopped chasing, and you have come into your power, or you have doing something on your own. You have been doing something on your own, and they have left you when you were in a need, or they were very prideful and egoistic, and on and off, hot and cold relationship was there, because they were confused. they had option, they wanted to leave you, but they could not forget you. So now you are in this mode, don't touch me. So yeah, they are realizing it. Definitely let me pull out some initials for you. So T A S E A, again A, P R W, blank initials, so you can put your person's name over here if it is not there. Initial O M, so P E R A T A O S W M and one blank initial. Okay, let's see the charms also. I'll not pull out many charms. So many charms. Okay, so this can be your twin flame. Definitely I was getting that energy. So this person is your twin flame. Definitely. See, we have received the white and black yin yang charm. Okay, so this person can be your twin flame. See, and also we have received 2 roses, pink and red. So you used to be very different from each other, but the pull and attraction is the same, like twin flame have. So definitely you guys are on twin flame journey. There is some sort of difference, rather caste culture difference or age difference, or but most of you I can see there is a difference of reputation, status and money. Like they belong to a wealthy background and you are not, so they have left you and they were confused to choose some other options. Now they are saying again and again, I love you, I love you. See, now they have realized. Definitely maybe they had a lot of people who used to chase them, they had a lot of options, and they think you will also chase them. A lot of people buttering them, used to sweet talk with them, because they had a lot of money and they thought you are also one of them. For some of you they might have thought that, okay, you are also one of them. So now they have realized those who is not real in their life. So definitely they are manifesting. I don't think they know how to do manifestation or prayers or meditation, but at least they are visualizing positively, and they are going to contact you. Okay, that is also what I am feeling. Definitely water sign, heavy water element, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces sign, and definitely they have come into the light and they have realized something, that your relationship is something different. Okay, I don't know they are sure about twin flame term or not, but they see you as their soulmate. Okay, and they have a lot of love for you. This relationship has been broken up by your person only. That is also what I am feeling. K initial also we have received. Okay, so this person is going to contact you. They love your voice, I don't know why I am feeling, or they love your communication style, or the way you communicate, or you have a good communication skills, or you work in a communication field or area. So something about the way you speak, your voice and communication is in this pile strongly. So, and all 3 things can be also, like you work in a communication field and they for example, you are a radio jockey, RJ, or you put lot of videos on social media and they listen to your voice, and they love your speech and voice, and they love the way you speak, and they love your communication skills. That is also what I am feeling, guys, for some of you. Okay, obviously not everyone is on twin flame journey for this, so this can be for some of you. So they definitely notice you from somewhere, I don't know whether through social media, or you have mutual friends, or you work together, or I don't know, not work together, but they see you somewhere, you work from far away, they see you, and or social media, they listen to your speech, or you are a radio jockey, or some sort of communication department you work in, wherein you have to speak a lot. You can be a YouTuber as well, or a news reporter, news anchor, and they love your speech, and they love the way you speak, they love your voice, they know your communication skills are very good, and you work in a communication area, and they love your communication style. So that is also what I am feeling. pile 2. So smileys we have taken. Let's see the love message from them. Okay, so let's see. Toxic. So this person was toxic. I'm telling you, this person was manipulative, confused, money minded, give priority to those who butter them, chase them, and they love attention. They have created toxicity in this relationship if they have listened to others or money or status or reputation. Sharp tongue. This person definitely has left you out in the cold and used sharp words towards you, or their tongue is very sharp. You might have attracted to pile 1, or you have watched pile 1. If you want to watch, go and watch that, because in pile 1 also similar energy, this sharp tongue and all that. Like I loved you, Brett Young. You never loved me like. So this is the song. Like I loved you, you never loved me like I love, something like that. I forgot I don't remember the lyrics, but this is the song by Brett Young, Like I Loved You. You can search it on YouTube. This lyrics might resonate with you, and the song is You Never Loved Me Like I Loved You, something like that. So go and listen to it. So this song they want to dedicate to you. Another message for you is that lame excuses. So this person might have didn't give you a commitment, or didn't stood up for you in past. Maybe you have lost job, or they were very hot and cold because they were confused, they had option, and they used to give you lame excuses that I can't be with you, and why I have ghosted you, like whatever they have behaved coldly with you. So that they used to give lame excuses. I don't know. Caste, culture, parents won't approve, family won't approve. Those sort of bullshit excuses, lame excuses. So see, this person don't know what is twin flame term, because this person is very 3D based, okay, very money minded and very manipulative. So this person now have realized that you are their soulmate, because they don't know the twin flame term. So they know that you are their soulmate, but you guys are actually on twin flame journey. But some of you can this can be your soulmate as well, okay. Now they have realized, okay, because not everybody is on twin flame journey. Victim card, blame. See, this person used to fight with you a lot, hot and cold behavior. You can go and watch pile 1 as well if you feel attracted to. This person used to play victim card. Even if they broke up with you, they will blame you. They will say that you did wrong to me, my past relationship was also like that, and blah blah blah, lame excuses, blaming game, victim card. So they always play victim card, that I am the one who has been wronged by others, and actuality they did wrong to others, and they did wrong to you, and they know, but they don't want to accept it. That is why victim card, blaming, they might have played all those stuff. I didn't understand your value. Now they are realizing they didn't understand your value. They didn't realize your value. Now they are manifesting you, because they feel awkward, also, like how they can come now after breaking up with you. I will come to meet you, but this person will come, okay, because you have stopped chasing. And if you have not, then once you stop chasing, this person will come to meet you, okay. And I would suggest you do not chase him. So this person will come to meet you. They know some, like where you live or where do you work. They know, like where do you go for shopping, something they are aware about. So they will come to meet you. So don't be surprised if suddenly you have gone to a grocery shop or a mall or some shopping, and they appear suddenly, okay. So don't be surprised, and they'll behave like, oh, you are here, but in actuality they know, they have planned and they have come to meet you, okay. So I love you. So this person loves you. Lot of I love you, they are saying I love you in this also, I love you in this love charm, in this love smiley, kiss me, picture. So a lot of passionate feelings also they have for you. And this person, let me tell you, this person never used to express and open up their feelings. For some of you, this person might have never confessed that they love you. And if you are in a relationship, they might have told you very, not very frequently that they love you. Like I love you, they used to say I love you only sometimes, only when you say them. So this person never used to open up, so now they are saying I love you many times. So this person wants to make sure that you know that they love you. So pile 2, this is what I feel for you. I hope you like my smiley reading, love scrolls, handwritten messages, tarot style, initials, charm style. Okay, so this is what your person is feeling. Now we will move to the pile 2. Please remember, this was a general reading, okay? It may or may not resonate with each and every one of you guys, so bear it, please keep that in your mind, okay? Okay, now we will move to the pile 3. Okay, those who have chose this amethyst pencil stone, let's see messages from your person or love messages from your person. We have received the Fool, Ace of Cups, Page of Cups, Ace of Pentacles. I hope you can see all the cards. Okay, so basically this person wants new beginning with you. This person is quite carefree, and they want to take a leap of faith. In past they were not serious, but now they are or they were not expressive, but now they want new beginning with you guys. They want to give love offer to you. For some of you, this can be your person is younger than you, or there is an age gap, okay? I miss you and I love you and I want to kiss you and hug you and hold you in my arms. So this is the message from your person. Does not matter who is in my life when you are in my heart. Yes, I know I am hurt, and that is why I have hurt you. Please forgive me. I will always love you no matter what. You will be in my heart. So this person might have started a new beginning somewhere else. So this can be the reason. Though I have not received any card, but maybe they have chose someone else over you, or some other person is there in this picture, and they have started new beginning with someone else. So now they are saying, does not matter who is in my life when you are in my heart. Yes, I know I am hurt, and that is why I have hurt you. Please forgive me. I will always love you no matter what. You will be in my heart. So they will always love you no matter who is in their life. That's what my parents are too controlling. I feel like they don't love me, but I love them so much and I am confused. So this person's parents were not agreeing to their love of their life, to your relationship, and that is why they got confused. Their parents don't love you. They feel like that, they know that, but they love their parents so much, though. That is why they have chose new beginning with someone else, and now like they are confused. They used to be confused. That is also what is the message. I am not immature and I can take care of you. Please don't say this. So you might have said this person that you are immature, or you have talked with someone and or you, like, I don't know, they have like here like I don't know, someone has told them, or like, you have told them, or they have heard somewhere that you have told them immature. So this person is saying, I'm not immature, I can take care of you. Please don't say this. So don't say this. Even if they have chose their parents over you, and like chose someone else and started something new with someone else, still you don't say them immature, okay? That is what they are saying. So now it's up to you to decide. But I can see some sort of beginning can happen with you guys, because this person is quite carefree in nature, and also I feel like this is impulsive energy, and this person wants still love you and wants new beginning with you, and there are chances that suddenly they will come and they will take a leap of faith with you. That is what I am feeling. So let's see the smileys. Okay, it's all about the journey. So this person is saying, no matter whom I get engaged to or married to or sleep with someone, it's all about the journey, okay? And at the end we will be together. So that is also what I feel. This can be higher levels soulmate, or some sort of spiritual journey or twin flame journey. So this journey was very tough. So it's all about the journey. So your person is saying we will meet in the end, that and they will give you colors. They will, like rainbow will come after the rain in this relationship. And this person, from this person I'm getting the very carefree and still I'm getting immature vibe. Even if your person is saying don't call me immature, I can take care of you, if they were so mature, then they have chosen you. Okay, if they were mature, then why didn't they choose you? If they were mature, they could have stand for you, or take a stand for you in front of family, society, family, anyone. Okay, like I'll give you my example. My parents did love marriage, and my dad and my mom has stood up for each other. Okay, in relationship, when you are in a relationship, that time it's not about you and me, it's about us. And you have to fight with the world. Okay, because if you want to do if you want to spend your life with the love, with the one you love, then you should take action, you should take firm decision, you should take a stand for your love of your life. Okay, otherwise you are immature and you don't have maturity to take care and take a stand for your love and to marry your love partner. So this person has did something, and this person is still immature with this page of cups and the fool. I don't expect commitment from this person. Like if they are coming and talk to you, don't expect suddenly like they will come and offer you marriage. No, don't expect them. This person, even if they will offer you commitment, there will be a lot of other things, their parents, third party, like that parents, third party, and their confusion and their immaturity and their slowness, their impulsive behavior, and it will take 1 year also for some of you, I am feeling. So yeah, they feel very blush. They blush when they see your pictures or they see you, and they feel shy also for some of you. Okay, let's pull out, take out some initials also. A, R. I can feel some of you might have chose more than one option. H, R again. Okay, U. I am getting this is the spiritual connection. N, O for some of you. Okay, let me pull out some charms also. Okay, blank message. So this person wants to say a lot of things to you, but they didn't express, they never said those things, and they are still not talking to you. That is also what I am feeling. Someone's birthday can be in December, or this person will come to you and talk to you in December month, or December month will be important for your relationship for some of you. If you want progress and growth in this relationship, there are chances it can happen. Okay, if your person is female, if you are male watching this, and if you are watching for your female person, then this lady is married somewhere else, and your person is pregnant. That is also what I am feeling. And this person has a lot of love and secrets in their heart, which they don't share to anyone, not even with you. Okay. Okay, so a lot of influence. They also, I can feel this person is immature. Why? Because they listen to others in your relationship, which is very wrong. Okay, when you are in a relationship, okay, it's a relationship, it's not a community that you don't need to share with each and every one of your friends and family, and you don't need to tell what is going on. Like if you love someone, if you want to marry them, you will be, doesn't matter if someone is opposing or not. So a lot of people are influencing their decision. That is why I am feeling this person is still immature. Let me tell you, that is for sure. Let me pull out some positive message. I hope so, some positive, at least some positive messages I can get. Okay, from this. So karmic, so definitely this person has started some new beginning because of their parents or family pressure or society pressure, or because of the love they feel for their parents, even though their parents don't love them, and you also love them truly, but they have chose their parents, and they have married to a karmic, or they have started new beginning somewhere else. That is also what I am feeling for most of you, or some of you. The third person is involved with someone else, and now they have realized, because they have chose someone else over you, or they have started new beginning because of the parents or family's love or pressure, and now they have kept you in a third party, and they have chose someone else over you, and now that person is involved with someone else. So third party basically involved with another person. So your person's partner, or the person whom they choose over you, are involved with someone else. You are very kind, so now they are realizing how much you were kind to them, how much you have loved them. In love with the shape of you. I'm in love with the shape of you. See, I'm telling you, this person is quite immature. They are still having passionate feelings about you. Even they are involved with somebody else, they think passionately about you. Even they love you, they have left you. So this is very immature, definitely. It's like, you are a fool, and definitely the fool energy, and the fool is, I am literally feeling this person is fool. See, when universe is giving you a lot of money, and you don't take that money because your friends and family are not liking that gift from the universe which is given to you, so it's a foolishness. Like you getting my point? You understand? Same way, if in these days, in this lifetime, it's very hard to find true love, okay? And when universe is giving you gift of true love, and when someone loves you truly, and you are very foolish and immature to let go easily that person, so definitely you will be counted in a fool. You will be counted in immature person or a fool person, definitely, because when in this lifetime it's very hard to find true love, and when someone loves you truly, universe is gifting you true love, and you are easily letting go of that person and true love, just because your family, your parents, your society is not comfortable with that person, or with your partner, or with your true love. So it's a foolishness basically, okay? So this person is immature and foolish. I'm sorry to say this, but this is what I'm getting. I am worried. So now this person is worried. They are with still someone else. They are with someone else, and they are still worried that you will choose some other person, and this person is quite jealous also. Love, Raghav. Okay, is this what they call love? So this is a song from like by Raghav. Song name is Love. Song lyrics are, is this what they call love? So this person is still confused. They don't know. Yeah, like this is very going negatively. In starting it was like good, I don't know, but this is very going negatively. This person is like, still confused. They don't know what true love is. I'm sure that is why they have chose someone else over you. Sorry. Dangerous featuring Sam Martin by David. This is another song by Dangerous featuring Sam Martin. You can just check this song's lyrics on YouTube. This person wants to say something to you. Love marriage is written for me, and I will. Oh my God. Let me tell you one thing. This love message, handwritten love message, it's written with red color pen, and every other message which I have written is with blue color pen. So, and this love message has till now I have done lot of pick a card readings, and lot of messages has come, but this message has come for the first time, or after a long time. This is the red color, written with red color, so it's very special. So it's like divine and spiritual connection. Divine has tied you and this person with the red color thread, and you guys will do love marriage. And I'm damn sure this person's energy with this Fool, with this Ace of Cups, with this Ace of Pentacles, this person's energy is also like that. They want to spend life with the love of their life, and you also will do love marriage. So this person is saying love marriage is written for me, and I will. So love marriage, they will do marriage with the person they love, and it's written for them, and it's destiny. I can feel like divine and destiny has tied down both of you with the red color thread, so your soul are connected, you are guys are connected, no one can separate you. Sort of a spiritual or higher level soulmate vibe I am getting, twin flame vibe. So love marriage is definitely written for them, for you, and I will. So you will do love marriage and that person will do love marriage. That is also, that is the message coming, okay, for some of you. I love the way you speak, talkatives. For some of you, you might have chose option number 2 or more than one option. If you are attracted to, go and watch it, because in pile 2 this speech communication charm has came, and this also, I love the way you speak and talkative. So this person definitely listening to you somewhere, or yeah, they are checking your social media and you put lot of videos and audios and songs, I don't know. So they'll you work in some sort of I don't know. So this person is saying, I love the way you speak, you are very talkative, so you have a good communication skills, they love your speak, they love the way you speak, they love your speech. So yeah, this is it, pile 3. I hope you liked my love scrolls, handwritten messages, charms, initials, smiley reading, tarot reading style, and I hope you have got some insights and messages from your person. So guys, thank you so much, love and light to you, namaste, hope to see you in my next video. Please remember, this was a general reading. Bye bye guys, take care.